Hey, good day folks, Dimitri here from upvc.com.au today on Sunday, 19th November 2023. So yeah, I was just cleaning out this, taking out the sash and interlocks to get a good clean on the sliding window, Deconic profile, and realized that the fabricator has made or installed the wheels inside out, don't know why. So the adjustments on the inside, no way to get to it once the sash is on. So I'm going to call the fabricator and ask what the hell is going on here. Is this for a reason? I don't know if any of you came across this before. It's because the screw adjuster is meant to be right here, so you can actually get it from the outside. At least on yeah. Once this sash is slid that way, you can get access from the bottom this way. And then once the sash is slid, well, actually it doesn't have to be slid. This sash is on this side. That's a fixed panel. You should be able to adjust it from here right here, but you can't because the screw's on this side. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers. upvc.com.au on there as well. Until next time. And continuing on with the story, right? I got the tracks turned inside out correctly, routed out the extra millimeter on each side because the factory somehow didn't do that, as well as they installed the right side roller on the angle incorrectly, thus making this scraping groove on the rail now. So this would have been just a matter of time before the nylon wheels would have split. And then the sliding sash would be freaking nightmare to open. So yeah, I'm not happy about this fabricator. What can you do though? Always check and try to rectify before you get in any bigger problems. Yeah, thanks for watching. Until next one. And then with step 3. It wouldn't hurt getting some fine sandpaper and going over the track where the burrs were, making it even more fine, smooth finish. It's all extra time and detail, but longevity. You don't want to be coming back to this house or customer again, replacing the rollers just because you forgot a step. Just make it perfect first time for a long time. And I also forgot to point out the drilling jig on the machine in the factory. It's missing 1/2 mil from the surface to the drainage hole. So that means you're going to have water sitting in the channel before it builds up enough to get in there and start draining. So I'm going to cut all these down as well before installing. 4 of them to each side.